civil authority has issued immediate evacuation notice for the following counties or areas. Mahoning, Ohio, at 3:15 p.m. on July 5th, 2026, effective until 6:15 p.m. Mahoning County Ward. The Cloisters in Canfield is being evacuated due to high-pressure gas line rupture. Shelter if needed at Canfield Fire Station 35007 Messerly Yard. Shelter if needed at Canfield Fire Station 35007 Messerly Yard. The civil authority has issued local area emergency for the following counties or areas. Mahoning, Ohio, at 4:15 p.m. on July 5th, 2026, effective until 12:15 on July 6th, 2026. Mahoning County Wards. Due to storm damage, please avoid the North Canfield and North Boardman areas while first responders respond to ongoing incidents and assess the damage.